Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door with a brand new ATS conversion. Very easy to operate, very little to go wrong, very low cost to maintain. Let me show you how it works. Manual rear entry trunk, very easy. I can operate this entire conversion with 2 fingers. Look here, I open the clamps, flip it back. I take my other 2 fingers, come over here, same process. It's got a handle on the driver's side and it's got a handle on the passenger side, so no matter which side you're on, you can access it. Look here, 1 finger. I'm going to take this to the ground. If I don't get my finger caught in there, there we go. 1 finger, very easy to operate. These are spring assisted. I tell our customers if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps with ease. The ramp itself is 34 inches wide. The entry height is over 56.5 inches. Inside the van is about 57 to 58 inches of headroom. Yes, this van is ADA compliant, so if you want to use it for taxi service or business, it's fully ready and accredited to do so. Also makes a great van for your family. 8 tie-down points, 2 in the rear, 4 in the middle, 2 up front, total of 8. You can tie up to 2 wheelchairs at a time down in here, or a gurney or stretcher. Does have the seats in the middle. Those have 21 inches of room in between them. Sometimes people will remove 1 seat to get about 4 or 5 more inches. They do have seats that will actually fold up like a book on each side out of the way. Those are of course a slight upgrade charge, but all kinds of different things we can do to accommodate the van to meet your needs. Tell us what you need, tell us what you're looking for, talk to us, let us work for you and get a van that meets your needs. Has the rear air conditioning, got the rear vents back here. Headliner looks in wonderful condition. That there just shows our mechanics have checked all the fluids. They've looked over this van, checked all the belts and hoses. Every van that comes through our shop is inspected by ASE certified mechanics. The dash looks in great shape. Has a steering wheel controls, that's nice. Whether it's you driving, your family, or your employees, they can keep their eyes on the road. Excuse me, which is very important. It's got the radio auxiliary cord. Dual climate control. Driver can be 1 temperature, passenger can be a 2nd temperature, passenger in the rear can be a 3rd temperature. Got my little water jug there, excuse me, but I gotta have that when we're out on the road. Once all your passengers are secure, come back out, and we do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs that way with each van. Come back out, grab the ramp, look here, 1 finger, very easy to operate. Reverse the process. These are so much more reliable, so much more low cost to maintain than the power ramps and doors. If you need a power ramp and door, if you have to have it, they're nice to have. If you can get by with one of these, my gosh, do it. I'm just telling you. Even if you don't buy from us, I hope you do. It's got the rear tinted windows, give you a little bit of privacy, keep you nice and cool in the summertime. These tires are I'm going to assume the original tires on this van, so you know, about 17,000 miles on them, so still quite a bit of tread left on them, not brand new. Overall, this van's very clean. I don't see hardly a dent or scratch in the van. I'm not saying it's flawless, but I'm saying it's not far from it. That's why we make these videos. Whether you come in and drive the van, or whether you have this van shipped to you across the country, the first time you lay eyes on it, I want you to say to yourself, this is exactly the van Jeremiah was representing. We're not trying to hide anything. And that's why we make these videos, and that's why we have such a complete description and so many pictures. We want you to know exactly what you're getting. Inside the van, the interior, very clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. No pet odors, nothing like that. The VIN number there, see if you can register in on that. I'd like to show the VIN number just to show the van you're buying is actually the van we're selling. There's some people that do some crazy things out there. Very clean interior. Current miles on the van, 19,210. When I go to turn the van on, fires up first time every time. The van does come with 1 key. We'd be happy to get more keys made for you at your cost. Unfortunately, that's just some of these vans come with 1 key. It drives me crazy as well, but we'll work with you and get you as many keys as you like. It does have the owner's manual still in the glove box as well. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6. It idles smoothly. Everything under here seems exactly as it should. I don't see any signs of any leaks. I don't see any signs of any damage. I don't see any signs of any water. We inspect these vans very thoroughly before we buy them. I'm buying from the same position you're in. I don't want anything with any hidden surprises. I don't want anything that's been wrecked. I don't want anything with a salvage title. I don't want leaks. I don't want rust. I want a nice, clean van, just like you do. So overall, very clean. Appears to be very rust-free. And no matter who you buy from, hope it's us once again, make sure you get a video underneath the van. Make sure they take it out and drive it for you in the video if you're buying sight unseen. If they won't spend 20-30 minutes of their day making a video for you to show you what you're getting, then who you buying from? And when you buy from us, you're buying from Affordable Mobility Solutions. We've been in business almost 8 years. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We have over 500 positive feedback reviews on eBay and 0 negative feedback reviews. Folks, that's 500 people that said we did a good job. That's 0 people that said we did a bad job. Buy from a company with a good reputation. I cannot stress that enough. So many people get burned so badly buying from crooks, but they don't do any research into those crooks before they buy. So be careful out there. Buy from a company with a good reputation. So let's get the van out on the highway. I want you to hear it run. Before I go get the van on the highway, I just want to show you our mechanics have looked over all the windows, the mirrors. Everything seems to work just fine. I've got the AC cranked right now. It's a pretty warm day here. AC feels great, nice and cold. Radio works. Everything seems to work just fine. So no check engine lights, none of that. Let's get the van on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the last portion of the video, I always like to get the vans on a test drive. I like to get them out on the highway and drive them hard so you can hear the engine run. You can hear the transmission shift. See, this van gets up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. You can see the steering wheel is nice and steady, it's not shaking back and forth. This van drives nice and straight down the highway. Drives like a brand new van. And I know there's a lot of companies out there selling mobility vans. You need to ask yourself, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because we do. Do they have over 500 positive reviews on eBay and 0 negative feedback reviews? Because we do. Do they charge hidden administrative fees and document fees and tag fees and try to slide money in on the back without telling you? Because we don't. We do not do that. That's not how we do business here. Do they offer free shipping to your home or business? Because we do. When you combine our service, our reputation, and the price of our van, no one, and I mean no one in the country, can compete with us. And that's why we're so successful doing what we're doing. And did they make a video for you? They get out and crawl around on the ground so you can see underneath the van? Because we do. We want you to know exactly what you're getting. So what I'll do is I'll take this exit here. I'm going to give the van a hard brake at the bottom of the exit. I want you to see there's no grinding, no front end vibration, no squeaking. So no braking issues. And this van also comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty from Dodge. Also comes with a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty from Dodge. In addition to that, the conversion has a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. So top to bottom, front to back, this van meets all the specifications to be covered, whether it be by Dodge or by the conversion company. It meets all the specifications to be covered front to back, top to bottom. So as always, if you ever want to come see one of our vans, please always give us a call first. I know your time's valuable. We don't want to miss you. Call and schedule an appointment with us. We'll make it a point to give you undivided attention, answer all your questions, show you as many vans as you want, as many features about the vans as you need to see, so you can make an educated decision for your family or your business. Give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. You get most likely myself or Micah. I'm the owner. Micah's our general manager. Check us out 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. If you're not sure if you want to spend this much money on a van before you see it, call us. If you're, Kansas City, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, St. Louis, Dallas, maybe we can put it on a trailer, bring it out to you. Make sure it's exactly what you want before you make a purchase this large. The video pretty much shows you everything about the van you need to know, but I also understand how nerve-wracking it is making a purchase like that without seeing the van. So we can't work for free, but we can work for fair. So call us. We'll figure out a fair rate, bring it out to you. If you like it, we'll do the transaction at your house. As always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today. Have a great day.